Considering an account with Lunar in Sweden? It's a smart move for digital banking, but you need to know what to bring to the table. Let's dive into the core requirements to get your account open. Lunar is a fully digital bank, so the entire application process happens through their mobile app. You won't be visiting any physical branches. To be eligible for a personal Lunar account in Sweden, there are a few fundamental criteria you must meet. First, age. You must be at least 18 years old. Second, identification and residency. You need to have a valid Swedish personal identity number, known as a personnummer. This is a requirement for opening most bank accounts in Sweden. You also need to be registered at a valid residential address within the EU or EEA. Third, digital verification. You must have a valid bank ID. In Sweden, a bank ID is essential for securely identifying yourself digitally, which Lunar uses for verification. To get a bank ID, you typically need to be a customer of a Swedish bank, which can create a bit of a circular step if you're new to the country. Finally, documentation. During the application in the app, you will need to upload a valid form of ID, which can be a driver's license, national ID card, or passport. Once you have the app, the personnummer, bank ID, and a valid ID document, you can start the application. They'll also ask you about the intended use of your account to comply with various financial regulations. The process is generally fast, but Lunar will review your application before approval. Keep an eye on the app in your email for any follow-up questions from their team. That covers the key steps to open your Lunar account in Sweden. Simple, digital, and designed for a smoother financial life.